So you're trying to figure out this whole data and AI landscape, right? Where you fit, or maybe who you need to hire next.
Exactly. It's complex.
And here's something interesting. Databricks, it's really more than just a tool set these days. It feels like I don't know, the central hub for a lot of data teams.
That's a great way to put it, a central hub. It really pulls different data roles together.
And understanding how those roles connect specifically with Databricks, well, that feels like a real advantage.
Oh, definitely. For individuals building their careers and for companies building teams, knowing that connection is pretty key.
Okay, so let's maybe unpack that. Which roles are really, living inside Databricks day to day? I think we've got about 6 main ones to look at.
Sounds right. 6 key players.
First up, got to be the data engineer. These are the architects, right? The builders.
Yep, the builders, they're laying the foundation, not just pipelines, but really solid ones using things like Delta Lake within Databricks.
Right, Delta Lake for that reliability, that performance.
Yeah.
And Spark, of course, for the heavy lifting, the big data processing.
Exactly. And the tight integration there is, well, it's what makes it powerful. Having Delta Lake features like transactions in the data lake, that simplifies things immensely compared to older ways.
Okay, so builders first, then analytics engineers. How do they fit in?
Ah, okay. So if data engineers are architects, analytics engineers are maybe the translators or master finishers. They take that raw data foundation.
And turn it into something analysts can actually use.
Precisely. They're deep in SQL using tools like dbt for modeling and, importantly, leveraging Unity Catalog within Databricks.
Unity Catalog for governance, making
Yeah.
sure everyone trusts the data.
Exactly that. It provides that single view for managing data access quality. It makes their job and everyone else's much easier, much more collaborative.
Makes sense. Okay, role 3, data scientists. The explorers, the experimenters.
Yeah, they're using Databricks for the whole ML lifecycle, really, from exploring data to building models.
So tools like MLflow
Yeah.
for tracking all those experiments.
Definitely MLflow. And the feature store, too, for managing and reusing features, it's all integrated, which is the big win. It cuts down the friction.
Cuts down friction from idea to actual model.
Right. Moving from research to something potentially usable much faster, that end-to-end capability is really compelling for them.
Okay, so data scientists experiment. Then you need someone to make those experiments real, right? ML engineers.
Yes. The deployers. They take the models data scientists build and get them working reliably in the real world, scaling them, monitoring them.
So they're focused on the MLOps side of things, automation, management.
Totally. Leveraging the MLOps tools within Databricks is key for them. It's about productionizing AI effectively and keeping it running smoothly alongside all the data infrastructure.
Got it. Okay, who's next? Data analysts, BI developers, the storytellers.
Storytellers, I like that. Yeah, they're the ones building the dashboards, finding the insights using SQL, connecting tools like, Tableau or Power BI.
But crucially, they're connecting to the data in Databricks, right? The
Okay.
data that's been built, cleaned, and governed.
Exactly. Databricks acts as that reliable, fast source, so they can build reports and dashboards people trust and get insights out quicker.
Okay, one more. The unsung heroes, platform admins.
Absolutely. Can't forget them. They're the ones keeping the whole Databricks environment humming. Secure, optimized, cost-effective.
They need to understand the cloud platform, Databricks itself, security, performance tuning. Quite a lot.
A huge amount. They ensure that solid foundation is there so everyone else can actually do their jobs effectively. Super critical role.
Okay, so 6 roles, all deeply connected to the platform. Let's bring it back to the listener. If you're out there coding, building pipelines, maybe data engineer is your path.
Seems likely, yeah. If you're more about digging for insights, turning data into models or answers, maybe analytics engineer or data scientist.
And if making systems scale, making ML work reliably in production is your thing, ML ops.
Right. And for the hiring managers listening, remember, it's not just general data skills. Look for people who know Databricks specifically. Workflows, models, clusters.
That platform-specific knowledge is key.
It really is. And, if you need help finding that specific Databricks talent, there are specialized partners out there, like Curate partners, who focus just on this ecosystem.
Good point. And for anyone wanting to dive deeper into all these roles we've discussed,
We've got a blog post that covers this in more detail. It's called Your Career in Data Plus AI. What types of roles heavily utilize the Databricks platform? Worth a read.
definitely. Check that out, whether you're building your career or building your team.
Yeah.
And, if you found this helpful, give us a follow for more insights on talent, tech, and transformation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Until next time,
Yeah.
keep asking questions, keep building.